What's up? Welcome back. Another video, question mark. Last time I was out here, last week or whatever, I couldn't ride really. The clutch was acting crazy. I couldn't get it right. I actually took it into a shop, Wicked ATV, first time this bike's been in a shop. Just because I was kind of like, I did what I could do. You know, the adjustment on the clutch was, is it recording? The adjustment on the clutch, if you haven't seen the video, go back, check it out. The adjustment on the clutch was all the way out, and that's like the only place it would grab. So I don't know what the deal is with that ASV lever. I still have the brake on. I wish I could get the other one to work, but the shop couldn't even get it to work. So I don't know if it's just the wrong lever or what was going on with it. But I got this one. It's fly racing. It's like bronze. It looks cool, but more importantly than that, it actually works. So look how clean the bike is. It's gonna be dirty in about 6 seconds riding around out here. Look at the truck. It's just like, just riding out here. It's covered in dirt. But anyway, we'll try to get some, I want to get a little riding time in today because, you know, the new setup up here, the new rear shock. So hopefully we can cruise a little bit today. It's what's Monday after Thanksgiving, deep into November. It's 80 degrees out here. What a crazy year. So looks like we have a nice riding season. I don't know if you can notice, come around to the front now, I did cut like a 1/4 inch off the left side of the bars. I don't know if it's even noticeable. I've never modified a bike to like be more friendly for me, but I just wanted to try it because these are aftermarket bars, of course. I didn't want to mess with the stock ones, but since now we have these aftermarket bars, we took almost an inch off, just because they felt super wide. They felt crazy wide. I mean, I could ride it like that, but this one, it just feels like it'll be easier. Because I definitely use the clutch. It's pretty hard to imagine. Like, even Roger at the shop was like, how do you ride, dude? I was like, I don't know. He's like, you use the clutch when you're just downshifting, or what are you doing? I'm like, yeah, every time. It's like normal, a regular person. So it's just kind of hard to imagine, but this clutch feels rad. It's got some heavy duty springs in it. It's brand new clutch, actually. It's not OEM anymore, so I can't wait. The bike feels really good. Anyway, super crazy long intro. Let's see what we can do today. Just like everything. Excited. So pretty much the bike's completely long travel now. I don't have the Elka linkage in the back, but the Fox Podium is supposed to be pretty much, I don't know if equivalent's the right word, maybe that other one's a little bit more, but this is a pretty serious shock. So, you know, of course the front is long travel, but I'm interested to see the rear now, how it performs. Cool. So fucking dusty out here. Just cruising a little. I'm not sure. I gotta play with the front end. It's kind of feeling a little rough right now, honestly. Whoa. Definitely doesn't sound like it's running on 2 cylinders at the moment. It's not good. Let me see. Gotta limp it back to the truck. Let's check it out. Walking back. Banshee's over there. I think I found a plug or something. Hopefully that's it. It's like running on 1 cylinder right now. I was just cruising down here. It's kind of choppy right here. I didn't really like how the suspension felt. It's bumpy, super bumpy. I like went up the hill a little bit, just cruising, and I turned around, and it seemed like just on the downhill, it just all of a sudden switched. It was all, you know, just running on 1 cylinder. So I guess that's the day. I'm gonna pack it up and try again. Fucking fails, Banshee life. Never ending tinker toys. That's it. Like and subscribe. Later.